Meaning of DOS.
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 DOS. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. It is a type of computer operating system that was popular in the 1980s and early 1990s. DOS was primarily used on personal computers and allowed users to access files and run programs through a text-based command line interface. With DOS, users had to manually type in commands to perform tasks. This was different from modern graphical user interfaces, GUIs, where users can interact with the computer using icons and menus. DOS is no longer widely used today, having been largely replaced by more advanced operating systems.